Hello, drone video fans. My name is Bill, and after being quarantined inside my house mostly for a month, I decided to venture out and get some fresh air on this day when it was nice, bright, and sunny, and a balmy 42 degrees, which is for you people in Europe, that's like about 6 degrees C. And so we came out here to Geneva State Park, which you can see is still open. They haven't gone crazy on restrictions here in Northeast Ohio. And we took off, and we're now at about 200 feet. We're probably going to go up a little bit high here in order to avoid that looming cell tower you see in the distance. You can see no growth on the trees as of yet. It's been that kind of a cool spring, but as we're flying closer to the marina here, you see there's no boats. Normally they start bringing boats in on May 1st, but that's all up in the air for now. Maybe by May 15th they'll have a positive idea. Anyway, at this time of the year they usually try to do a dredging of the channel, because the sand builds up in that channel where it leads out into Lake Erie. And last week it was all really rough and everything like that. We're at normal zoom here, and we're going to jump to 2x zoom in order to get a better look. So be prepared for that. We just jump to 2x zoom. We see some of the slips there that have power hookups and satellite dishes and so on and so forth. But at any rate, this is the equipment that they use to do the dredging. And if you go look in my playlist of videos, past years, I have other videos of them actually doing the work. But you see the excavator there on a barge, and an opening, a barge whose floor opens up where they dump the sand, and tugboat for pushing that around. And then we're going to turn here a little bit here, and you can see the area that they do the dredging in, which is that narrow spot right there before it goes out into Lake Erie. They try to clear all that because that's where all the sand usually winds up building up. You see, the lake is fairly calm, and I fully expected them to be at work doing the dredging this morning when I came out to look at this, but maybe it was too cold at 42 degrees, because the lake is also 42 degrees, and could make things pretty chilly if anybody got wet or fell in or anything like that. Not that I've ever seen that happen. So we just want to make a quick jaunt out here and get something posted, since we haven't posted anything for some time due to the lack of being able to get out and shoot anything. So we're making our way back here towards our launch point, which is at the back of the picnic area, way in the back there at the end of that long strip of road, which is it's about a half mile from there to where I was at, and have no lag or interruption of the video, FP video or anything like that on the Evo 1. It's very good. You can see the cars are practicing socially distancing there in the parking lot, and now we're going to be coming up on a spot here where we're going to drop back down to normal. Actually, I'm giving full down on the left stick as I'm going forward in order to drop altitude as quickly as I can after I come over those last set of trees. And we're heading back in that white car you see in the distance on the right hand side of the parking lot is my car. Anyways, we're going to be coming up here and landing here shortly. So again, I just wanted to post something since it's been such a long time since I was able to get out and do something. The weather hasn't been great. As a matter of fact, it was pretty chilly this day, and by the time I landed, my fingers were kind of numb. So hope you're all doing well and staying safe, and look forward to seeing you in an upcoming video, hopefully when weather is better and all of this quarantining stuff is over and everybody's able to get out and enjoy the things that they enjoy doing. Thanks for stopping by and watching, and hope to catch you in next video pretty soon.